Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a re-editing of this popular video, the basic granny square with no gaps. Okay, some of you have been requesting for a copy which has a voice instruction, so I'm gonna re-edit this video for those who wanna hear the instructions. Okay, so for round 1, we start with making a magic circle. Alright, and then you chain 4. And then make 3 double crochets in the magic circle. So it will look something like this. Alright, three double crochets and that first 4 chain stitch. Alright, so this time you make a triple crochet. So this is 1 triple crochet inside the magic circle. Okay, next you have to make 3 double crochets. One triple crochet and 3 double crochet. So the pattern is 1 triple crochet and 3 double crochet 4 times so that you can have a square. So the triple crochets are actually the corners of your square. Alright, tighten your magic circle. Okay, so you can see we've made 3 sides. Alright, and we're gonna make the last side. So 1 more triple crochet and 3 double crochets to complete your 4 sides of the square. Okay, tighten and connect. Alright, so connect to the first triple crochet and you have a tight square. Alright, for round 2, chain 4. Alright, and in the same stitch, make 2 double crochets. Alright, so in that very same stitch, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Alright, so in that same stitch, you have the chain 4 and 2 double crochets all in one space. Okay, make sure not to miss that first stitch. Okay, now you have to make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And 2 double crochets in the same space. Okay, so in that next stitch, make 2 double crochets. There. And 1 triple crochet in the same space. So that will be your corner. So you can see the pattern. In every corner, you have to make that triple crochet. Okay, this time you have to make another 2 double crochets in the same space, in the same stitch. So total you have 5 stitches in that same space. Alright, 2 double crochets, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochets in that same stitch. Right, you can see the corner forming. This time you make 1 double crochet for every stitch that follows. Okay, so in the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet each. And we're reaching the corner again. So as you know, in the corner we will have 5 stitches. Okay, and you start by making 2 double crochets. 2 double crochets, yes. Alright. 1 triple crochet. Okay, 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochets, all in the same stitch, all in the same space. 5 stitches, all in the same space to make the corner of our square. Alright, so all you have to do is repeat the instructions for the remaining 2 sides. Okay, that is 1 double crochet each for the next 3 stitches. And when you reach the corner, okay, make those 5 stitches, starting with 2 double crochets, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochets. And that will make the corner of your square. Right. And the last 3 stitches, 1 double crochet each in these remaining spaces. Now you've reached the end of this round. Oh, 2 double crochets. Okay, 2 double crochets to make that corner. Alright, but do it in the same space as the first one. Alright, so connect. Okay, and you have your round 2. Now we start with round 3, chain 4. Chain 4 is like your triple crochet. And do the same as round 2. Make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In that same stitch as your chain 4. Alright, so basically we're just repeating what we did in round 2. But this time it has more spaces in the middle. Okay, make sure not to miss the first stitch. So it is 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Okay, make sure not to miss that first one. So you should have 1 double crochet for the next 7 stitches. Okay, so you have 7 stitches, 7 double crochets in the middle, not counting the corner stitch, the corner stitches. Okay, now we reach the corner, so you have to make 5 stitches in this same space, starting with 2 double crochets. Right, 2 double crochets, 1 triple crochet. Right, 1 triple crochet and 2 more double crochets. Two more double crochets, okay. Now we make 1 double crochet in the next 7 stitches, taking care not to miss that first stitch. Alright, 7 double crochets in the next 7 stitches. Wow, so you can see our square is forming with no gaps. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It will really help me to make more videos. Right there, in the corner stitch, we start again with the 5 stitches. Okay, starting with 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and finishing off with 2 more double crochet, all in the same space. This makes our corner for our square. So actually you can see the pattern, so all you have to do is repeat for the other 2 sides. Okay, that's your 7 double crochets for every next stitch. Okay, 7. Make sure to count. Alright, and after 7 you have to make the corner stitches. That's the 5 stitches in one space. Okay, starting with 2 double crochets, 1 triple crochet, and 2 double crochets, all in the same space. So this makes your corner stitch. And finish off with 7 double crochets in the next stitches. Alright, make sure to count, because if you miss one stitch or if you accidentally make extra stitches, your square will be deformed. Okay, and now we have 7 double crochets on that side. All we have to do is finish off, but remember we need 2 more double crochets to make that corner. So do that last 2 double crochets in that same space as the first stitch, which is the chain 4. Do 2 double crochets, and that will complete your round 3. So slip stitch into the 4th chain and finished. Alright, so this is your granny square with no gaps. Okay, it's perfect for making a blanket, a cardigan. Alright, if you don't like the holes in granny square, so this is the perfect granny square, no gap. So if you like the other kinds, there's also this solid granny square. Okay, please look out for my other tutorials. I have a lot of granny square tutorials that you can find in this channel. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye!